Have you ever opened YouTube just to watch one video? And then suddenly it's 2 hours later and you're still scrolling? The weird part is, you didn't even notice the time passing. In this video, I'll show you how YouTube literally programs your brain to keep coming back every hour, every day, and the scariest part? YouTube probably knows more about what you like and hate than you do. Addiction doesn't start when you love an app. It starts when the app learns your weak points. YouTube runs on something called the dopamine loop. Every time you watch a clip you enjoy, your brain releases a tiny dose of dopamine, a small hit of pleasure. Then your brain says, I want more. So you scroll, watch, scroll again, until time disappears. It's the same reward system used in casinos, the same psychology of slot machines, only this time the slot machine is your phone. Think about it. When you pull the lever on a slot machine, you might win, you might not. That unpredictability is what gets you hooked. The same thing happens when you refresh your YouTube feed. You might see a video you love, or you might see something boring. It's that maybe that keeps you pulling the lever, or in this case, swiping down. This isn't just a coincidence. It's a carefully designed system. The variable rewards are what make it so powerful. Your brain craves that hit, that small moment of discovery when you find a video that's just perfect for you. And the app is designed to deliver those moments just often enough to keep you engaged, but not so often that it becomes predictable. You're not just watching videos. You're playing a game you can't see, and the prize is a fleeting sense of satisfaction. So how does YouTube know what keeps you watching? The algorithm tracks everything. How long you watch before clicking away, what type of videos you pause on, even your internet speed. All that data feeds into a massive AI system, a deep neural network designed for one goal: to keep you on the app as long as possible. It doesn't care if you're learning, laughing, or wasting time. It only cares that you don't leave. The algorithm watches your every move. You watch one car video? It'll show you luxury cars, then races, then crashes. Why? Because those keep your eyes glued to the screen. It's a process of constant testing and optimization. The system is always learning from your behavior. If you hesitate for a fraction of a second over a thumbnail, the algorithm notes it. If you rewatch a specific part of a video, it notes that too. It's building a digital profile of your subconscious desires. This profile isn't just about what you explicitly search for. It's about what captures your attention without you even realizing it. The algorithm is like a silent observer that knows your triggers better than you do. It's not trying to help you or educate you, unless helping or educating you is the most effective way to keep you watching. Its primary directive is engagement, and it will follow that directive relentlessly, pushing you down rabbit holes you never intended to explore. It's a feedback loop. You watch, it learns, it recommends, you watch more, and the cycle intensifies. YouTube is smart enough to know when you're getting bored. When your brain starts losing interest, it throws something new at you, like 10 weird things found at the bottom of the ocean. You weren't planning to watch that, but curiosity takes over. That's when the second layer of addiction kicks in, addiction to novelty. You don't just want the same content, you want something new, strange, unexpected. And YouTube keeps mixing everything, educational with dumb, funny with serious, until you can't even tell why you open the app anymore. This is the algorithm's way of preventing habituation. If it only showed you things you already like, you'd eventually get tired of it, so it introduces controlled chaos. It will suggest a video from a completely different genre or a topic you've never shown interest in before. It's a calculated risk. Most of the time, you might ignore it. But when you do click, the algorithm learns something incredibly valuable, a new potential interest, a new pathway to keep you engaged. It is like a chef who knows you love steak, but occasionally throws in a spicy dish just to see if you'll, bite. This constant mix of familiar and novel keeps your brain on its toes, always anticipating what might come next. It's a sophisticated dance between comfort and surprise, designed to make sure you never have a reason to look away. You came for a tutorial on fixing a leaky faucet, and now you're an expert on the history of ancient Roman aqueducts. That's not an accident. That's the system working perfectly. Scientifically, when your brain gets flooded with fast visual rewards, it starts losing pleasure in simple things. Reading a book feels boring. Even going out becomes less fun. Because your brain is used to constant stimulation. And worse, your focus drops. You notice you can't watch long videos anymore. You can't study for 30 minutes without checking your phone. That's not weakness. That's neurological rewiring caused by the algorithm. This phenomenon is known as a decreased baseline level of dopamine. When you're constantly getting these quick, easy hits of pleasure from your phone, your brain's reward system adapts. It starts to require a higher level of stimulation to feel the same amount of pleasure. Real-world activities, which offer delayed and less intense gratification, can't compete. Your attention span also suffers. The very structure of short-form content and endless scrolling trains your brain to expect new information every few seconds. This makes it physically difficult to engage in deep, focused tasks. It's like training a muscle. If you only ever do short sprints, you'll lose the ability to run a marathon. Your brain is being conditioned for distraction, and this has real-world consequences on your ability to learn, work, and connect with the world around you. There's no magic fix, but awareness changes everything. Once you understand how the game works, you can start winning it. Here's what you can try. First, remove distracting videos from your home page. When you see a recommendation that you know is just clickbait, click the 3 dots and select Not Interested or Don't Recommend Channel. You are actively training the algorithm to work for you, not against you. Second, turn off autoplay. This is one of the most powerful features keeping you in the loop. Disabling it forces you to make a conscious choice to watch another video, rather than passively letting the platform decide for you. Third, use browser extensions that hide recommendations. There are tools that can completely block the recommendations sidebar and the end of video suggestions, creating a much cleaner, less distracting viewing experience. Fourth, set a daily limit. Use your phone's built-in digital wellness features or a third-party app to set a hard limit, say 30 minutes a day. When the time is up, the app closes. At first, you'll feel bored. That's normal. Your brain is resetting its balance. You might feel an urge, a sort of phantom itch, to open the app. That's the withdrawal. Let it pass. This feeling of boredom is actually a good sign. It means your brain is recalibrating, learning to find satisfaction in less stimulating activities again. YouTube isn't evil, it's just a tool. The difference between using it and being used by it is awareness. The platform itself is neutral. It holds an incredible library of human knowledge, art, and connection. You can learn a new language, master a skill, or watch a documentary that changes your perspective on the world. The problem isn't the content. It's the mechanism designed to deliver that content in the most addictive way possible. But now you know about the dopamine loop, the all-seeing algorithm, and the neurological effects. You are now equipped with the knowledge to use this tool on your own terms. If you've made it this far into the video, you've already proven you can maintain focus, and you've taken the first step to breaking the loop. Don't delete YouTube. Just don't let it control you. Take back your time, your focus, and your choices. Share this video with someone you know who's trapped in the scroll. You might just help them escape without even realizing it. Thanks for watching.